Here's a 2018 Ford Escape. Yield to adventure. This SUV will take you and your toys to faraway places. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, heated rear seats, power heated mirrors, voice activation, active grille shutters, Sync Connect remote engine start smart device, and heated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.